Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, after the changes to the columns block in WordPress 6.0, the next change that has been introduced is to the paragraph block, where the text settings have been combined with the typography control. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about first from WordPress 5.9. So you can see this is a paragraph block, WordPress 6.0. This is in WordPress 6.0 and this is in WordPress 5.9. So you can see text settings are right over here and typography controls are right over here. Text settings contains the drop cap option. Now remember, in 2022 theme, the drop cap has was disabled by default. So I'm going to discuss about it. So let's just first see the text settings. Let's just first see this change, then I'm going to show you how you can activate it. Okay, so you can see right over here, text settings is right over here, drop cap is right over here, and typography controls are right over here. Now this setting has been merged with the typography control in WordPress 6.0 in the paragraph block. So this is the paragraph block that we have created in WordPress 6.0, and you can see the typography controls are right over here, and it is missing this setting, which is the text setting, which is the drop cap. Now, as I was discussing before, the drop cap option in 2022 theme is disabled by default in both WordPress 5.9 and 6.0. Now I have already created an article on this and published a video as well. You can check it in the I button above if you want to see, but I will show you how you can enable it here, just for the sake of showing you what this is, what this exactly, what this change basically is. So if you cannot follow this properly right now, you just go watch that video and everything will be, hopefully will be clear. If not, then comment and I will help. Okay, so to enable typography, to enable drop cap basically in 2022 theme, what you will have to do is go to your dashboard, tools, theme file editor, and this time you will have to go to theme.json right over here. Now follow these steps really carefully. You'll have to click right over here, somewhere here. It could be here as well. You can see right over here. Let me expand this. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now search here, Control F or Command F. Okay, now search for drop cap. You can see right over here, no spacing. Remember this, no spacing. This is really important. Press enter. You can see drop cap right over here. What this means is the support for drop cap is present, but the option is disabled. You can see right over here, false. Double click, add true. What we have done is we have just changed the value from false to true. Update. That's it. The file has been edited successfully. Let's just zoom out, reset, go back and refresh. Click this right over here, paragraph block, typography settings. This has been merged with the text settings, so drop cap should be available right over here. Here is the drop cap. You can see, click it, it will enable drop cap. So you can see now the change is very clear. Where, let me close this and let me open this. Text settings, drop cap and typography controls right over here, and it is here now. So this is the change that has been introduced in WordPress 6.0. Again, I have done all of this. The article is on the website, has already been published. The video is on the channel. It is in the clips channel as well. So you can go view in the clips channel if you want to. You can view here, wherever, I button above. Okay, remember that. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.